This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 13th, 2019. Today we're going to call for no heat on an oil furnace. So it's a new customer a couple of towns over. I got time, I'll head on over there to see what's going on. I guess the guy that she used to use retired. She's got oil in the tank, she said. So we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. The first thing you ask them if they got oil. I get a couple of zone valves there. That one's calling. That one's calling. That one's calling. Don't sound like the motor's running. Might have a bad motor there. Motor's stuck or something's stuck. Yeah, the motor's stuck. Kind of odd. There's no oiler on that either. See if it runs now. Yeah, the motor was stuck. The motor wasn't spinning.
Oh, I wonder what he did so quick.
So, probably should change that motor. That'll give it some, oil to burn on the inside. Usually I just change them. But I could probably take it out, put some creosote oil on it, it'd probably be fine. Just from it sitting.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll try that out. Well, that's what the problem was, the motor,
Yeah. It's only, I had it put in like 2005, 2006.
Yeah, it was just sticking.
Yeah.
Let me pull the motor out, we'll hit it with some oil and we'll see. You want to try that first then, you said?
Yeah.
Alright. What do they say, cash is king?
Yeah, I know, but I
that's fine. It checks fine. As long as it's good. As long as it checks good.
Oh, you can check it.
Thing's been sitting all summer. Well, not really, because I've been making hot water. Might be a bad pump too, it's binding up. We'll have to see if there's any water in the pump. It seems to be fine. I think it's the pump that's a problem. You know what it could be too, ma'am? It could be the oil pump. Binding up. Now, what could happen on that is it could get moisture because it's an outside tank.
Yep.
And it could get moisture in that pump. If that's the case, that's what it is. It's the pump because the thing's spinning freely. It's not the motor. So most likely it's the pump.
Now they put an additive into the...
Yeah, but I could do is, see, this is what they call a two-pipe system.
Yep.
It might be water in the pump. It's very possible that that's what the problem is.
Yeah.
If there's any, I could pull this off and check it and see if there's any water in there. That's what the issue is, because it's supposed to be oil.
Right.
And sometimes it gets moisture in there, and that'll start rusting things up.
Okay.
Not a good,
No, not a good thing.
not a good thing, especially in the winter time. I think it's the pump. Pump is what the issue is, not the motor. We got an outside tank here, and I think that's what the issue is. See if there's any water in there. Two pipes, so it's self-bleeding. not bad. You running kerosene here?
Say what?
You running kerosene or heating oil?
Oil.
Looks fine.
Hmm?
Looks fine. I don't see no water in it.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Might have just been stuck. I mean, it does happen.
Well, could it be just because it doesn't get used that often?
Oh no, I use it for hot water. I mean, you got the hot water here.
Yeah, I know, but I don't use much hot water either. The shower is the only thing, and the shower has its own hot water here.
Unless you've been having it off. Have you been having it off the burner?
Yeah.
I didn't see no water in the pump, if anything, you know.
That's good.
So,
Hey, simple fix is better, right?
well, something was definitely bound up in there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's possible it had some moisture in there and a little rust going on. We'll get it going, and if it happens again, we'll get into it deeper, I guess.
Okay.
This is a two-pipe system, so it's self-bleeding. I don't have to bleed it.
Yeah. It's really good, but it has its own hot water heating. Because in the next time, the water coming from the well is so freaking cold, the furnace couldn't.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh man,
How come? Because it's way down?
because it's way down and it's just.
How cold is it? Real cold?
It's real cold, like, you know, a warm shower was the best we could do.
In the winter, it gets really cold?
In the winter, it gets really, really cold. In the summer, it was fine, but in the winter.
That's kind of odd.
Well, just for the shower. And aside from that, I mean, I don't do a lot of dishes. I don't cook, so. You know, I wash my face in the morning and I get in the shower.
That's a pumping. How long has it been since he changed the nozzle? No?
Like I say, I had Eddie do that, and Sylvia do that oil. I had him.
He's retired now?
Yeah, he retired. And Eddie and I do it. That's how I always had it. Eddie was always very thorough and always took good care of me because of the connection.
Right. Yeah, it might have been an issue with the pump. Just, you know, usually they don't bind up like that, but that's what the case was. We freed it up and she's firing up nice now, so.
Yeah, I couldn't believe he did it so quick.
Little three-section. I mean, the thing's right here in the flipping closet. I mean, there's no space.
No.
At least you don't have a power venter. Yeah, so we'll let that go, I guess.
No, like I said, when Eddie retired, the guys who worked there.
Running.
Thank you so much.
Now, what's this switch for?
Oh, that's an outside outlet.
Okay.
And I'm going to get an electrician in here to pull that out because I took that outlet out outside.
Yeah, the roof's probably not leaking. You know what? It's possible. You know, and then you got the lines that come up here. You ever have a problem with it in the wintertime? You have to put gel in, right?
Yeah, they put an additive in the oil.
Yeah, you gotta definitely, when it gets cold out, you gotta put an additive. Either that or run kerosene. Alright, So we're gonna let that go for now, you said, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright guys, I just left that job. Lady wants to let it go for now. She probably needs a new pump. But we did free it up, it is running. Probably had some moisture got in there from that outside tank in the pump gears type of thing. And sometimes you free them up like that, they're good for a while. Sometimes they don't last long. I mean, it is what it is. But I'm thinking it's more likely that pump than it is that motor. But it definitely was bound up when I got there, because I put my hands in there and I spun it, and she freed up. So I told the lady the situation, she wants to wait. So we wait. Give her a service call bill, and if it happens again, we'll get into it deeper. Well, that's the problem with them outside tanks. I mean, you get moisture in them, and pumps moisture in the pump, and I did take the cover off, and it didn't. I didn't see no water come out, so might have been a freak thing. Time will tell. You got to do what the customer wants. You know, you tell the customer the situation. You let them make up the decision. Who wants to wait? We wait. Not that far. 20-minute ride. I mean, it's not too far. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? Oh, yeah, we'll give it the old, how you doing, mama? Yeah, we will.